Students, today we shall start another topic of mensuration, surface area and volume of solids. Okay, standard 10 CBSE. Students, in standard 10, we shall mainly learn about the surface area and volume of two figures, combination of two figures, two different figures. Okay, not more than that. So the question is here, a solid wooden toy is in the form of a hemisphere. You can check that it is a hemisphere surmounted by a cone of same radius of 3.5 centimeter. Both of the same radius 3.5 centimeter. If the total wood used in the making of the toy is 166 and 5 by 6 centimeter cube, that is the total volume of the toy is this. Find the height of the toy. You have to find total height of the toy. So here is the solution. Here we can see that the radius of the hemisphere is given, so we can easily find the volume of the hemisphere, and if we subtract the volume of the hemisphere from the total volume, you will get the volume of the cone. Now volume of the cone is given, its radius is given, you can suppose that height is 8 and easily you can find the height of the cone. And with that, if you add the radius of the hemisphere, also known as height of the hemisphere, you will get total height of the solid. So in the solution, at the beginning we shall find the volume of the hemisphere. So write volume of the hemisphere will be given by 2 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 3.5, can be written as 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 centimeter cube. Okay, at the place of 3.5 we can write 7 by 2. Let us simplify it. 7 1 2, and by this 2 you can subtract this 11, so it is 49 into 11, 49 and 49, 539. So 539 by 6, 3 2 is 6, so you can write, that will give you 539 by 6 centimeter cube. Now you can write, let height of the cone be h. Therefore volume of the cone is equal to total volume 166 and 5 by 6 minus volume of the hemisphere 539 by 6 centimeter cube, and that will give you volume of the cone is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 pi r square h. R square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h, and this is 1001 by 6 minus 539 by 6. So this implies, cancel 7, cancel, it is by 11, so 77 by 6 h, 77 by 6 h is equal to, take the 6 common, sorry, LCM, you will get 462 by 6, cancel 6 and 6, so you are getting h is equal to 462 by 77. You can cancel it completely by 6. By 6 you can cancel it. It is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore total height of the toy is equal to 6 plus 3.5 centimeter, because this distance is 6 and this is 3.5, and that is giving you 9.5 centimeter, and this is your answer.